Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, Credit Sniper? Your boy Carlos Estrada with the Credit Assassins. Guys, today I'm actually on the road. We are in Miami. We are here at the 10X bootcamp training for the company. So as we're trying to grow, we're trying to become better at everything that we do. We learn from everything that we do. We want to continue being better in everything, operations, and the way that we work, and how we bring this content to you. We want to make sure that everything that we do is something that we have lived or tried ourselves. Nothing that you see in this channel and nothing that you actually will see in any of our courses or even our software is something that we have not tried. So I just want to tell you that our new software, the 360 Business Vantage, is something that actually I put together because I wanted to develop my business credit. And this is something why I wanted to do another blueprint, just like what I did on the personal side, in order for you to actually be able to benefit from it. So I'm bringing this to you, and I want to go ahead and touch base today on a question that I've been getting asked a lot, especially in this event, is how do I raise my credit score? Now, I want to go ahead and show you or tell you a specific way on how you can definitely raise your credit score like this overnight. Now, this is something that I do sit down with a lot of our customers and walk them through every step of the way on how to go about this. But I want to go ahead that at least I tell you, and I want to give you a little tool that it is going to help you depending on where you are in the spectrum of your credit score right now. If your credit score is very low or if your credit score is very high, I want to give you a cheat sheet that is going to help you apply and get qualified for the loan or the credit card that you want. So wait until the end, and like that, I'll tell you where you're gonna go in order to get this cheat sheet. But guys, before I continue, please do not forget to go ahead and subscribe, click on the bell icon, click on all. Make sure that you click on all, so like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. Guys, if you love this content, please don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up, because it's going to help me tremendously. I have a mission to help at least 1 or 2 people a day. So by you at least helping me out doing this, if this helped you, please feel free to go ahead. If not, then that's fine. Just share it with someone else. Make sure that at least if you know someone that is really can benefit from the content that we put out, go ahead, share it with them. But guys, how do we do this, guys? There's so many ways. So one of the main things is what I see with a lot of our clients is when they come in, they want to raise their credit score. They usually in the 500s. They're using the 610, 620. So we have a new client that came in, very nice guy, veteran. Just so you know, my heart goes out to them because I am a veteran myself. 22 years in the military, and I love to help my own community. So it's just happened that unfortunately, he had a great credit score. But one of his kids used his credit as a co-signer and defaulted in one of the credit cards. And it wasn't even a credit card, it was a store credit card. And his credit score went all the way down to the 590s. Now he's trying to qualify to actually get into a home. And unfortunately, he cannot do it because his credit score is dead. Now, late payments and so on. There's very specific ways, and you have the right. You have the right to go ahead and dispute, fight anything that you believe is inaccurate in your credit report. What I'm going to do is, if see the link below, I'm going to give you this tool, this cheat sheet. But what I want you to do is, I want you to email me directly. You are going to email support@thebestcreditblueprint. And if you want to actually get a tool, a letter that can get your late payments removed from your credit report, I will email that to you. That's a $599 value that we do and we sell. I want to make sure that I give it to you for free, but I want you to go the extra mile. So I want to make sure, see how much you want this. I'm willing to help those who wants to be helped. And something that I learned today is, if you don't raise your hand, you really don't want the help. I want to make sure that you are there. So guys, so the fastest way for you to raise your credit score, fastest way is removing the inquiries. Remove those inquiries. If you believe someone have used your credit score or your credit file to apply for certain accounts, and you believe it's erroneous, you have the right under the law to dispute that every single time. So something that I'm going to tell you is something that we found out with a lot of our clients is that Experian and TransUnion are very easy to deal with in the East Coast. East Coast, the middle of the country, is very easy because of the call center. But for the West Coast, Equifax is the easiest one because also the call center. So depending on where you are in the country, this could help you a lot, it could benefit you. But guys, I want to make sure that, hey, at the same time, this is something that we don't put out, but I feel generous today. I'm loving what I'm doing, the 10X brand. And if you see it over here, it's a 10X. I live that. I want to make sure that I 10X your life. I want to make sure that I 10X everything that we do. And today I want to go ahead and give you that for free. So if you email me to support at the Best Credit Blueprint, I'm going to give you that letter, but I'm also going to give you the ability or the cheat sheet to remove those inquiries from your credit report free of charge. I'm not selling anything today, I'm not doing anything, but if what you want is also build business credit, you can go on the bottom of this video. There's going to be member at 360businessvantage.com. Now, what this is going to do is going to give you a free business success can for your business. In this case, what the software is going to do is going to give you a snapshot of what's going on with your business if you're meeting the right compliance items today in order for your business to get some lending. If not, it's also going to let you know what you're deficient, what you need, and it's also going to tell you how we can help you. Now, we do this, we have coaches that will work with you for a whole year, and something that I want to tell you, something that we have developed because of the relationships that we're creating for this business, is that we will guarantee you at least $50,000 in the next 90 days if you become one of our paying customers. So it's up to you, not selling anything, but if that's what you want to do, you want to know more about business credit, then go on the bottom of this video. Otherwise, make sure you email support at thebestcreditblueprint.com. Either let me know what you need to. You either want the letter or you want the inquiry deletion system or cheat sheet that we have, okay? And guys, I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, any comments, do not forget to go ahead and comment on this video. Make sure that you like, give me the thumbs up, click on that bell icon, click on all, because we're gonna be putting more videos every single day. From anywhere that I am, from anywhere in the world, if we're traveling, I'm also gonna try to put something in order to give you guys some content. I'm gonna be putting out some shorts of the events and everything that we got going on. But do not forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so like that you don't miss anything that we put out. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here with me today. And what I want to do is make sure that I let you know, I hope you have a great day and 10X your life. This is Carlos, I am the Credit Assassin, and I'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big bucks, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?